Have you ever wanted to start making money online? But every tutorial tells you to invest in tools before you've even made your first dollar. What if I told you there's a way to build and sell automations without spending a cent, using only free tools like Make, Notion, Google Sheets, and Typeform? And no, you don't need to be a tech expert or spend months learning how to code. In fact, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build your first automation system, how to package it as a service, and how to sell it, starting with zero cost upfront. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we turn smart digital strategies into real income online. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell, because we post practical videos every week to help you grow and automate your online business. Now let's jump straight into it. Here's the truth. Most beginners waste months trying to build the perfect product or service, when the fastest way to start earning is by solving small, painful problems for real businesses. And automation is one of the easiest ways to do that. Let me give you a real example. Let's say you know a local tattoo studio that's struggling to handle new client requests. The owner is always busy drawing or tattooing. They don't have time to respond to DMs or keep track of appointments. You could build them a super simple automation system using 100% free tools. Step 1. Create a Typeform to collect appointment requests. You can use their free plan and even customize the form with their branding. Step 2. Connect that form to Make.com using the free tier. Every time someone submits the form, Make triggers a workflow. Step 3. That workflow sends an automatic confirmation email via Gmail, adds the info to a Google Sheet, and updates a Notion database they can check from their phone. Boom. You just built a working automation system. And you didn't spend a single dollar doing it. Now imagine this. You package this system as client request automation for tattoo studios and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, StanStore, or even offer setup services on Fiverr. Tattoo shops, nail artists, fitness coaches, wedding planners. They all have one thing in common. They're drowning in manual tasks. And none of them want to pay a full-time assistant when a system can do the job 24/7, without a salary, without mistakes. Let me break down how to build and sell your own system like this in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick a niche. Don't try to automate everything for everyone. Instead, focus on one type of service provider, like real estate agents, dog groomers, or therapists. Check what kind of forms, requests, or back-and-forth messages they deal with. That's where the automation opportunity is hiding. Step 2. Build a starter system using free tools. Stick to the stack I mentioned. Typeform for inputs, Google Sheets and Notion for backends, Gmail for communication, and Make.com as your central hub to connect everything. Test it with fake data. See how the flow works. If you can explain it in one sentence, you're on the right track. Step 3. Turn it into an offer. This is where most people get stuck, but it's actually the easy part. You're not selling software. You're selling a solution. So instead of saying, I built a Typeform Gmail integration, you say, I help coaches automatically qualify leads and book discovery calls without any back-and-forth messaging. See the difference? Let's look at real places you can promote your offer today. Go on LinkedIn and search for posts like, I'm overwhelmed with admin work, or looking for a VA. Those are leads. Join Facebook groups where service providers vent about their problems. Don't pitch right away, just offer advice. People will click your profile and ask for your help. Or, if you want to go passive, list your system as a productized service on a marketplace like StanStore or Lemon Squeezy. Even a $47 system can sell repeatedly, especially if it solves a common pain point. Let's talk about what not to do. Don't get stuck trying to make the most complex automation ever. Remember, simple systems solve specific problems. Don't obsess over logos or websites. Focus on solving one real problem for one type of client. And don't wait until it's perfect. Your first sale might come from a messy Notion page, and that's okay. Now you might be thinking, but why would someone pay me for something built with free tools? Because they're not paying for the tools. they're paying for your know-how, your time, and the fact that now their headache is gone. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine someone, let's say a freelancer in Germany, who builds a simple automation using Make, Typeform, and Gmail. He creates a system specifically for wedding photographers, where potential clients fill out a booking request form and instantly receive an automated email with pricing details in a neat PDF. Now, instead of offering this as a one-time gig, he turns it into a repeatable product. He sells the same system over 50 times in a year, charging $99 for each setup. No coding, no custom development. He just swaps out the logo, updates a few colors, and boom, it's ready for the next client. That kind of scalability is exactly what you're aiming for. And if a setup that simple can generate consistent income, you've got everything you need to do the same. So here's your challenge. In the next 48 hours, pick a niche. List 3 painful, repetitive tasks they deal with. Build one simple automation to solve the first one, using only the free tools we talked about. Then post it as a service, share it in a community, or message someone who needs it. Don't wait for things to be perfect. Done is better than perfect, especially when it comes to starting a business with zero upfront cost. If you want a guide that shows you step-by-step how to set up these tools, structure your offer, and find paying clients, check the comment I pinned below. It's packed with real examples, templates, and outreach messages you can swipe today. And hey, if this video helped open your eyes to a new income path, hit that like button and drop a comment telling me which idea you're going to try first. Don't forget to subscribe for more ways to turn smart digital systems into real, scalable income. Thanks so much for watching until the end. Now go build something simple, sell it smart, and let's make it profitable.